Hello guys! Welcome back to my mini vlog. So today is our day 4 here in Cleveland. And then nakikita nyo naman, ang ganda ng weather today. Nagpakita na si Mr. Sun. And ngayon is nag-aayos ako ng bed and also linis-linis lang ng room. Kasi parang hindi ako sanay na walang ginagawa. So ayan, naglinis kami. Tinutulungan ako ni Zion. And then after that, we decided na mag-homeschool na. Mag-study na kami yung mga time na yan. And also, lunch time na rin. And I decided to eat my pancit na binili namin last night and piece of bread. And ayan, si Zion nag-aaral ulit. And then, syempre, after that, umuwi na si Abby. And syempre, ang routine lang naman namin pag umuwi siya is mag-pick up ng food for our dinner. But ngayon, nag-iba na. So, ngayon, ito yung one of our favorite restaurant here, Longhorn. Kasi sobrang sarap ng ribs nila. And then, yung mga food nila is quality food talaga. So, ayan, while waiting. And, andyan na agad yung food namin. So, si Hubby ordered ribs. Ako naman yung parmesan chicken. And sobrang favorite ko yan. And si Zion is the tenders with french fries. So, ayun lang. Sobrang ine-enjoy namin talaga yung food na to. And ito talaga yung binabalik-balikan namin dito sa Cleveland. And sobrang sarap. And kumuha na rin kami ng dessert after that. So, after nun, pag-uwi namin, syempre, nag-aral ulit si Zion. So, para may magawa naman siya. So, ayan yung mga photos namin na and food na in-order namin. Sobra talagang sarap. Sarap niyan. So, once na makapag-visit kayo dito, try nyo na yan. It's very famous. And yun lang. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!